Hey, Robert Murray here, and in this video I want to walk you through how to drive traffic, GrooveSolo traffic, if you haven't heard of GrooveSolo, hold on a moment, I'll show you, to your offer, your page, created in GrooveFunnels or GrooveSell. And if you also hold on for a moment, then I'm going to give you access to $2,000 worth of my free bonuses just for registering for a free Groove account. No credit card is ever needed, but I'll show you that in a moment. So cue the intro. Okay, so I've come into my Groove account, I'm into GroovePages or GrooveFunnels, and this is the offer we are going to be promoting. So what we've done, first things first, we've obviously got a Groove account, and again, as I said, later on in the video, I'll give you a link. You can grab my $2,000 worth of free bonuses. And this is going to be short and sharp because I've already done most of this. So when you first come into GrooveSolo, there'll be a link in the description down below where you can grab an account from me. And you're going to pick which one of these you're going to select: premium traffic, super premium, starter traffic. I'm pretty sure I got the inflation buster. They're going to give you some special offers at the beginning. And then you're just going to follow this through, decide on how many you want. You can pick from 200 clicks, 500, 1,000. So I think I selected the 1,000, and then you click next step. Then you click the frequency. Is it one time? Is it one time custom? Do you want this on a monthly? You get more clicks on the monthly, etc. I chose one time, and this takes you through here, and this is where you pay. So we've already done all of that. I'm just going to come into my pending campaign, and you'll see here, obviously this is the one I've just done with you, but this one we've already paid for, and I'm just going to click view the campaign. And now all I've had to do is I added a tracking link in here and the email copy to send. So the idea behind creating a tracking link is I want to just see specifically where this traffic's come from, okay? Because if I send them to my main URL, which is here, and it's the cryptobotmasterclass.com, well, I've got traffic coming from YouTube, from Facebook, from other affiliates. I've got lots and lots of traffic that's going to be hitting this page. This is the main page. And if I send 1,000 clicks to that, I'm not really going to be able to track, is that worth me paying again for 1,000 clicks? Did I make many sales through it? So what I've done is I've taken this link here, the CryptoBot Masterclass link. I've gone over here and I've come in and set up a tracking link. And you can see how simple it is. Steps 1 through 5. You just go through here, add your link, and you can see here I've completed everything. And that's given me the link that I've inserted here. So you can see here, this is the link now that people are going to go to. So I can now specifically see, if I come back out of here and out of here. So you can see now it says 7, obviously it's not 7. So if I click into the stats, you can see there that I've gone into it twice. And that was me going into it twice because I just wanted to test it. And now basically I've added in here, when someone purchases my product, my CryptoBot Passive Profits program, it's going to trigger here. So I should be seeing over 1,000 clicks here, and I should then see signups and sales and a value. So it helps me then track, was that worth me paying whatever I paid for the 1,000 clicks? Okay, I paid $500 for example. I made $1,000. Yes, I turned my $1 into $2. Let's run that again. Okay, so that's as simple as this is. Really quick and easy. You can go over to GrooveSolo and you can see here, this will be my affiliate link. Again, it's going to be in the chat. So as I said, you'll be able to see my GrooveSolo affiliate link down below. I did also promise you I'd give you $2,000 worth of bonuses completely free. Again, link will be popping up on the screen and it'll be down in the description. Just go and set up your free Groove account. You don't have to add any bank details. Go and play with it, go and test it. And there's $2,000 worth of bonuses. There can be a load of funnels and templates and emails and all the stuff that you're going to need. Also, do the usual, click the subscribe button and the notifications to make sure you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And Also, please, help me to serve more. Like and comment down below and let me know what other training you want inside of the Groove world. There's 17 applications. We're training on many different ones. So that's it from me for now. There'll be some other videos popping up around me, and I'll speak soon. Bye for now.